today we start here the chapter number second, periodic classifications of element of standard 10th of part science part 1. In this chapter we will cover the topics elements and their classifications, Dobereiner traits, Newland's laws of octaves, Mendeleev's periodic table and modern periodic table. These points we will cover in this chapter. This is very simple chapter and the knowledge of element classifications we will see in this chapter. So let me start the chapter number second. Then we have asked here some basic questions for previous standard. What are the types of matter? There are three types of matter, you know. The first solid, second liquid and third one is gases. Then next question, what are the types of elements? There are metals, non-metals, semi-metals or metalloids. These are the types of elements. Next question is, what is the smallest particle of matter? That is the atom. As previous knowledge we know what is the smallest particles of matter, that's called atom. Okay. Next, what is the difference between the molecules of elements and compounds? Elements and we have to give difference between, we have to mention here the main difference between molecules and compounds are the both are made up from elements. This is the same thing, and molecules form. This is very important question. The difference between molecules and compound we have to mention here. The molecules are made up from the smallest atoms, and compounds are made up from elements. When two or different elements are combined, the compounds are formed, and when the atoms of different elements are combined, that time molecules are formed. So this is very important. So the next, classifications of elements. We will start the chapter from here. We have learned in previous standard that all the atoms of elements are of only one type. Okay, and today 118 elements are known in the scientific world. However, around the year 1800 only around year 1800 only about 30 elements were known. More number of elements were discovered in the course of time, and more information about the properties of elements was gathered. And the study of such a large number of elements, scientists started studying. Scientists started studying the pattern, if any, the vast informations about them. You know that the initial classifications of elements were classified into two groups, metals and non-metals. Later on, other class of elements called metalloids was noticed as knowledge of about their elements and their properties went to increase. Different scientists started trying to different methods of classification. Then the first scientist who tried to classifications of elements was the Dobereiner. Dobereiner made the groups of three elements, and therefore the Dobereiner's work considered as now in today's word Dobereiner traits. In year 1817, carefully look at this graph, or this is chart. Here we have given element 1, element 2. I show you with the help of this highlighter. Look at this. This is element 1, this is element second, and element third. Element 1 assume as atomic mass of element assume as A, atomic mass of element third, that is C, and here is the average A plus C upon 2. This is the mean. So we have taken the lithium and potassium. So lithium atomic mass is 6.9, as well as potassium atomic mass is 39.1, and when we add these both mass here, we will got here the average, that is 23, and that is correspond equal to the mass of the sodium. I will show you with the this marker. with yellow marker. Look at here. So this is element 1, element 2 and element 3. We will see that in the first triad as well as in second triad and in third triad, the element first and element third uh, average atomic mass is the element of second, that is mass average atomic mass of second element, that is strontium in second example and bromine in third example. This is called Doberan nitrides. This is very simple. Now the next point we will see here, Doberan nitrides. Identify Doberan nitrides from following elements having similar chemical properties. We have given here three groups and magnesium, calcium and strontium. When we add the molar mass, atomic mass of magnesium and strontium and the average of both should become the atomic mass of calcium. That time this will be Doberan nitride. So student, this is the assignment for you, and on these basis comments after the video which is the Doberan nitrides or which is not. Okay, the next point. Next, many limitations were found in Newland's active. This law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. Newlands fitted all the known elements in table 7 by 8 and all 56 boxes. Newland placed two elements in each in the same boxes and accommodate all known elements in the table. For example, cobalt, nickel, cerium, lanthanum. Moreover, he placed some elements with the different property under the same note in the octaves. For example, Newland placed metal, cobalt and nickel under the same note do, and in for Marathi language that is sa, along with the halogens, while Fe having similarity with cobalt and nickel, but Fe is placed with the halogens away from them along with non-metals oxygen and sulfur. Under the note Ti, also Newland's octaves did not have provisions to accommodate the newly discovered elements, and the properties of new elements discovered later on did not fit in the Newland's laws of octave. So these are the limitations of Newland's octave. In short, we will revise again the limitations of Newland's octave. The first limitations is that when Newland suggests this law, that time only 56 elements are known. This is the first demerits or limitations. Second, Newland placed two elements in some boxes, accommodate all the known elements in the table. Same cobalt, nickel, cerium, lanthanum. This group of elements placed in same box. This is second limitation. He placed some elements with different property under the same note. This is the third limitation. For example, cobalt and nickel shows the same property, but cobalt nickel under the same note do he placed, but they both shows different property. And along with halogens, they do not show the properties like halogens. While Fe under the note Ti also shows the different property than other elements. These are the some demerits of Newlands. So student, we have covered the two topics here, Doberan nitrides and Newlands octaves. The next topic, Mendeleev's periodic table, very important topic, we will cover in our next lecture. Thank you.